Unitree Robotics has released a video showcasing the progress of its humanoid robot named G1, demonstrating its impressive dancing skills. In the demonstration, the robot performs complex dance moves with remarkable smoothness and precision. This was made possible by an updated algorithm that allows G1 to learn any dance by analyzing movements and reproducing them with a high level of realism. G1 is equipped with 21 degrees of freedom, giving it flexibility and fluidity of motion close to that of a human. Thanks to high-power electromechanical actuators, the robot responds instantly to commands, while its balance system enables it to perform complex maneuvers, including jumps, flips, and rapid shifts in body position. Additionally, G1 can walk at a speed of up to 2 meters per second and operate on a single battery charge for about 2 hours. In its basic configuration, the robot is priced starting at $16,000. Japanese scientists continue working on the development of ultra-realistic skin specifically designed for robotic humanoids. Recently, the research team shared their progress and released a video showcasing the capabilities of their latest innovation. The footage left viewers stunned, with most calling it a new nightmare, creepy, and unsettling. According to the researchers, their invention closely resembles human skin. Robots covered with this material will sense touch and even smile almost naturally. However, the goal was not to create visually appealing skin, but rather to develop a method for attaching artificial skin to a synthetic substrate in a way that mimics how human skin adheres to the body. This includes a network of ligaments, seamless connections, wrinkles, and the ability to make facial expressions. Scientists suggest that this new technology could contribute to the advancement of biohybrid robotics industry. The artificial skin equivalent can even regenerate through cell growth without any external triggers. The developers noted that as technology, including artificial intelligence, evolves, robots are taking on new roles, and with them the function of their skin is also changing. The Chinese company IronTech, a leading manufacturer of highly realistic female robots, has introduced a new generation of its models. IronTech robots are designed for personal interaction between humans and machines. Thanks to artificial intelligence, they can serve as excellent conversation partners, fully replacing human interaction. IronTech uses non-toxic and environmentally friendly materials, such as silicone, to create its robotic humanoids. They are also equipped with an internal metal frame that allows them to mimic natural human movements and poses. Customers can customize various features, including skin tone, eye color, hairstyle, and body type, to create a robotic doll that suits their preferences. The price of these robots varies depending on the selected specifications and materials. For example, some models start at $1,200. In other regions, prices may differ. For instance, in the United States, some models cost around $2,290. A Silicon Valley company, Kind Humanoid, has introduced a new humanoid robot named Mona, which in the future could replace humans in performing everyday tasks and improving quality of life. The robot can recognize objects, hold them, and pass them along. Mona uses precise hand and manipulator movements to perform delicate actions, such as handing objects to a patient or assisting with daily activities. Mona is equipped with artificial intelligence based on large language models, allowing it to analyze speech, respond to emotions, and execute complex instructions. Its sensors and cameras provide 360-degree environmental perception, while advanced machine learning algorithms help anticipate user needs. With a biomorphic design and advanced mechanics, Mona can perform fine motor tasks, lifting objects, pouring drinks, sorting items, and even assisting people with disabilities. Another Chinese company, Hanadol, specializing in the production of robots designed to replace human relationships in the future, has introduced a new generation of its highly realistic robots for the Japanese market. These robots are almost indistinguishable from real people. Developers claim that the level of interaction with these robots is so advanced that it is nearly identical to human communication. They can engage in conversations on any topic, offer support, and serve as excellent companions. Hanadol uses high-quality silicone, ensuring a realistic skin texture and pleasant tactile sensations. The robots are equipped with an internal metal frame that provides mobility and allows them to assume various poses. Prices vary depending on the model and features, starting at $200 and reaching several $1,000s. The Swiss company RIVR, specializing in the development of robots with physical artificial intelligence, has introduced an innovative robot designed to revolutionize delivery by making it more efficient and sustainable. The robot can quickly navigate city streets, overcome obstacles, and deliver packages directly to customers' doors. It is equipped with wheels at the ends of its 4 legs, allowing for high speed on smooth surfaces, while also enabling walking on rough terrain and obstacle navigation. The robot can stand on its rear wheels while using its front wheels for balancing and interacting with objects, enhancing its functionality in urban environments. The use of artificial neural networks enables the robot to adapt to various situations and improve delivery efficiency. In the near future, such robots could completely transform the delivery industry, taking it to an entirely new level. Let us know in the comments, what do you think about delivery robots like this? Here is a new multifunctional robotic arm developed by QB Robotics Company, designed for handling various objects. This innovative device combines advanced robotics and artificial intelligence technologies, allowing it to perform a wide range of tasks, from washing and sorting to transportation and precise manipulations. The robotic arm is equipped with a computer vision system that enables it to identify objects, analyze their shape and weight. It also features high mobility and flexibility in movement. It can integrate into various automated systems, collaborate with other robotic machines, and operate in complex environments. Thanks to its adaptive grip, it can adjust its gripping force, allowing it to safely handle both hard and soft materials. China continues to rapidly advance its humanoid robotics industry. Recently, engineers from Humanoid Robots Limited demonstrated new capabilities of their robot named Qinglong. Now it confidently moves boxes and manipulates objects with high precision. Qinglong is the first full-size general-purpose humanoid robot in China with open-source software. It was introduced at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in the year 2024. The robot stands at 185 centimeters tall, weighs 80 kilograms, has 43 active degrees of freedom, and achieves a maximum joint torque of up to 400 Newton meters. In recent demonstrations, Qinglong not only transported boxes but also carefully handled objects, adjusted grip force, and worked with items of various sizes and shapes. Additionally, Qinglong has high mobility. It can navigate uneven surfaces, adapt to external impacts, ascend and descend slopes. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.